Do you want soft, smooth and tan-free feet? Try this remedy. Add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline moisturizes dry feet and softens rough skin. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add 2 vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E capsules can help with feet whitening by reducing dark spots, pigmentation, and uneven skin tone. Now add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Mix all the ingredients really well. If you feel you can do, microwave it to melt and mix all the ingredients really well. I don't melt the ingredients because the weather's already doing the job for me. It's so hot here. Even I'm melting in this summer heat. How to use. Clean and dry your feet before application. Apply a generous layer of the cream, focusing on heels and tanned areas. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. For best results, wear socks overnight and use daily. Visible results in just a few days with consistent use. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural skincare remedies. Comment below if you've tried this and let me know your results.